The Grand Lady of Dunedin will no doubt catch your eye as you pass by. This picturesque hotel on the shores of St. Joseph's Sound, about 45 minutes from Tampa, is an icon of the Jazz Age. Over the years, it's seen a number of transformations, but now, as part of Marriott's Autograph Collection, I found it's hitting all the right notes. Construction began in 1924, and in 1927, Pinellas County's first radio station was established on the third floor. Then in January of 1928, the hotel's opening dinner dance was held, and patrons paid $2.50 a plate. Over the decades, the hotel transitioned through various phases, including stints as a private club, the headquarters for a minor league baseball team, and even a university. But thankfully, in 2018, the property reopened as the Fenway Hotel. Its history is proudly displayed throughout the halls. One spot that caught my eye is the door near the lobby that leads to Fenway's original speakeasy. According to legend, you would knock 3 times and be asked for a password. If you said the right thing, you could step inside and enjoy a drink. Throughout the hotel, there are more than 80 guest rooms and suites. Our classic queen had views that overlook the magnificent entrance and a partial view of St. Joseph's Sound. The room was relatively small but well designed, and the bathroom had fantastic lighting. My favorite touch was the gold record mounted on the wall. Fenway has a range of amenities, including a resort-style pool, fitness center, and an expansive lawn. As you can imagine, it is a very popular wedding venue. Even though Dunedin's food scene is fantastic, I highly recommend dining at Fenway Hotel. Dishes from Parlor and Chophouse live rent-free in my mind. Brunch is served daily and dinner is available Wednesday through Sunday. For sunset and a cocktail, be sure to stop by Hi-Fi Rooftop Bar. It truly is one of the best places in the area to watch the sunset over St. Joseph's Sound. Check the caption for my recommendations for what else to do in Dunedin during your stay at Fenway Hotel. And if you're looking for more unique and unexpected getaways, hit subscribe because this is one of more than 20 historic properties I've been checking out across Florida.